In this video, I am going to discuss about B.Ed first year semester 2 course 3, that is 1.2.3 learning and teaching first half syllabus and engagement with fieldwork, practicum and assignment. In course 3 1.2.3 learning and teaching, the first half is learning. In unit 1, you have to read understanding learning, that is nature of learning, learning as a process and learning as an outcome, types of learning, factual, associations, conceptual, procedural, generalizations, principles and rules. Remembering and forgetting, that is factors of remembering, encoding, storage and retrieval, information processing approach, causes of forgetting, strategies for effective memorization. Unit 2 is on factors influencing learning, that is concept, nature and types of motivation, intrinsic, extrinsic and achievement. Role of teacher in addressing various factors influencing learning. A few strategies, that is cooperative learning, peer tutoring and collaborative learning. Unit 3 learning paradigms. Here you have to read behavioristic learning, that is concept of connectionism, that is Thorndike and conditioning, that is Pavlov and Skinner and their educational implications. Cognitive learning, that is concept of Gestalt and its educational implications. Discovery learning of Brunner and cognitive constructivist learning of Piaget. Social cognitive learning by Bandura, nature and implications, teacher as a role model. Social constructivist learning, concept of Vygotsky, nature and its implications. Humanistic viewpoint of learning by Carl Rogers, that is self-concept theory. Unit 4 is overview of theories of transfer of learning, that is concept, importance, nature and types of transfer of learning, theories of transfer of learning and methods of enhancing transfer of learning. Unit 5 is organization of learning experiences, issues and concern, role of school, that is guidance, mental health, co-curriculum activities, etc. Strategies for organizing learning for diverse learners, that is brainstorming, within class grouping, remedial teaching and enrichment program. In engagement with fieldwork or practicum, you have to do any one of the following practicum. Micro teaching practical through simulation mode. 5 lessons in 5 skills on a particular topic are to be delivered in front of peer group under the guidance of subject teacher. Here the teaching skills are introducing the lesson, second one is questioning, third one is use of teaching aids, fourth one is reinforcement and fifth one is illustration. Each skill consists of 5 components. Now first year B.Ed semester 2 course 1.2.3 first half assignment. Here I have given you this assignment to solve class roll number wise. Beside hard copy, you have to give your PPT presentation. That is, you have to use PowerPoint to discuss the topic. Here the full marks for your assignment is 20 and assignment word limit is 1000. You will get maximum 10 minutes for your presentation. For hard copy, take A4 size page and make a handwritten assignment and submit it. Take screenshot of your assignment and make a single PDF and send it to conference@rkmbc@gmail.com. You also have to submit your PowerPoint presentation to the same Gmail. Search book or different websites and watch YouTube videos to solve your assignment. At the end of your assignment or PowerPoint presentation, you must have to include a list of references. If you have any question or any query, you can comment in the comment box or contact with us. Hope this discussion may help you to solve your assignment. Thank you and happy learning and stay with us.